Hello, good afternoon. Coming to you here from the Florida Turnpike, just a little bit north of Orlando. We actually left Boca Raton this morning on our trip down to go see the Boca Raton Bowl. So now we are on our way to Ocala, Florida. My daughter thinks that we are going to see a friend of my wife's and to go to a state park up in the Ocala area. Little does she know we are actually on our way to go pick up a dog for her. She has no idea. She's been wanting a dog for years. She's going to be so excited. And at first we weren't going to film anything for it, but then I decided, you know what? People love seeing dogs. People love seeing kids' reactions to dogs, and her reaction is going to be awesome because she's been wanting a dog for so long. So we're actually getting a Siberian Husky. It's going to be the first dog I've ever owned in my life. My wife hasn't had a dog since she was a younger girl living with her parents. So this is going to be our first family dog, and the dog will be joining us on our travels. So new member of the family. Her name's going to be Winter, and you'll get to see Winter and the big reveal in just a little bit of time when we get up the road. All right, thanks.
Well, come on, look inside.
Peek inside.
You gotta get out, baby. She's yours. Oh, this was a surprise to get you your own puppy for Christmas.
It's Winter.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. You're welcome, Daddy, too.
It's Winter.
Hi, Winter. Hi, Winter. Oh, you're the best dog ever. Oh, I'm so excited to have my own dog. I can't wait to share this news with Mima. Everybody's excited to meet her. I've met her before.
Mommy met her before.
Oh, Winter. Yeah? Are you happy? I am happy as I'll ever be.
Hi,
She's
Winter.
adorable. She's a little nervous.
Yeah, she's nervous.
But she's going to be a great friend, okay? All right. We're going to get her out of here and give her to you on your lap, okay?
How old is she?
She's only 8 weeks old. 2 months. Here. I got to go get her.
So what do you think?
She's the best thing ever!
Okay, she's a little nervous. It'll be good.
She's just a little nervous. Hold on to her.
It's okay if she pees on you. It happens. Nothing's perfect.
Hi, Winter.
All right, we're gonna move all your friends and stuff to make space for her in the ride, okay?
Okay.
All right, baby.
I can't believe this is
Early
happening.
Merry Christmas.
Mommy, I can't believe this is happening. Is this for real?
This is for real, for real. Mommy and Daddy did a whole lot of tricking just to get you here. Merry Christmas, Mama.
Santa heard my wish.
He did. I don't know if you saw the box.
What does it say?
Santa.
And it says, to Alexis, from Santa and his helpers, Mommy and Daddy. Okay? Aw, love you. Keep an eye on her and Doggo.
Hi, Winter.
I'll put this in the bag.
Yeah, they're soft.
I've waited so many years for this day.
Don't you have to put the other stuff in the back?
Yeah. Well,
At least in the front? Okay. All right, I'm going to turn this off. Any last words? Are you happy?
I'm as happy as I'll ever be in my whole entire life.
Aww. All right, ready?
Alexis over here and smile.
So this is the story of how we got Winter.